This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your PC runs Windows 11 build 22000 or later and you're signed into a Microsoft account. Next, open Microsoft Store now. This is where Paint 3D installs. If Store prompts for optional features or updates, accept them. These often unblock legacy apps. Once done, check you have roughly 200 MB free and a steady connection. This prepares the system, so the install proceeds without permission or compatibility interruptions. You now search the Microsoft Store for Paint 3D and select its app page. Press Install to start. If the button is grayed out, click Library, then Get Apps or select Restore/Reinstall to re-register the app. When installation stalls, run Windows Update to bring system components current and then run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. This fixes permissions and cache issues. Make sure to restart the Store app between attempts. These steps repair missing dependencies and complete the install process reliably. You finish by launching Paint 3D from start. Pin it to the taskbar for future convenience. If the app won't open or crashes, go to Settings Apps Installed Apps, find Paint 3D and choose Reset. This clears app data but keeps your files. If problems persist, run PowerShell as admin to re-register Microsoft Store apps or create a new Windows user to test profile corruption. One key tip: reset the store cache with WS Reset exe before heavy troubleshooting. It often resolves install glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.